Hello. Don't mind me. I'm just watching my child play. He's having so much fun. He's just going up and down in the creek here, chasing the dragonflies. It's been so long since since he's chased the dragonflies, but he certainly hasn't forgotten about them. They just keep tormenting him. They go close to him, and then last minute, as soon as he goes to snap them, they just turn. It's hilarious. He's just been going up and down the creek here. Oh. So he's not long turned 3 and he's yet to catch one. Out of all the creeks that he's been in, he's never caught one. He keeps trying though. I'll give him an A for effort. But it's just hilarious. He's a funny bugger. He just keeps trying. He catches flies, but he just can't catch these dragonflies. I don't know if he's trying or whether he's just playing with them, but they're certainly playing with him. They sit there waiting for him. He's a funny bugger. He certainly puts you in a good mood. So he hasn't been well lately. So he hasn't been eating his food. So it's good to see him playing. Been going for walks. Hasn't been playing much. So this is the most he's played lately, actually. It's like a snapping tortoise. Mouthful of water. You're not supposed to drink it, mate. That's our van set up there anyway. And then we're just down here in the creek. So he's certainly stirred the creek up because it wasn't a pleasant colour before. It's a lot better than what it was, even though it's running. Anyway, we'll leave it at that with the peaceful sound of the running water. How nice is that?